iPhone case number 9 replacement. This is a heavy duty case. So let's go ahead and take it out and let's see what we got. It comes with some information. Comes with a nice little holder for the case when I want to put it away or put it back in here. They give you this information right here. And it has some protecting film on it to protect it. It also looks like it comes with a screensaver. Actually, it's a built-in screensaver. Or not screensaver, but screen protector. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull off the plastic. I'm glad they got this on here. This film helps protect the case. Okay, so this is pretty much the case, and I'm going to do the rest off camera. And go ahead and put my phone in it. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, subscribe, share, love, and like. God bless you and go home.